Alright, everybody, so our plan. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's Coconut. I think you want to go eat or something. Oh man, those are really good. Yeah, get off of me. Coconut. Oh my goodness. How could you be eating at a time like this? Although I am gonna. Oh, sorry, my bad. But coconuts, how could you? You know that we're in a meeting. Oh, come on. Oh, right, Anyways, guys, now that Coconut's done eating, let me, conclude the meeting. So we all know our mortal enemies, those zombies. Ugh, I hate them. So we all know the plan, right? We're gonna go invade their camp, and we're gonna finally beat them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah.
Excellent. Come on.